Hello, this video is my take on gold farming in Portrait of Ruin, but I am currently using the Portrait of Maria ROM hack, but it'll work just as well in Portrait of Ruin. If you see here, I'm after the third warp room in the Nest of Evil, which is a place you can only get to after you reach like 888% map completion and get the quest for it. I've already gone through one floor after the warp room, and I'm about to go down this way towards the fourth warp. And this is when you first encounter these gold skellies, who are a total pain. But what you're going to do is like walk up and try to activate one. And if you're using Portrait of Maria, you can just sit here and do flippy swords. It makes it a lot easier, but I'm not sure what attack you're going to use in the regular one, but you just have to keep wailing on these guys and eventually they'll burst and hopefully drop a gold ring. Okay, so it's real simple. You just want to make sure you have 2 gold rings equipped and you want to enter the warp here. Okay, sorry about the lag. Okay, so it's just this one particular spot. This is how I get there. Okay, this is it. And just keep jumping back and forth. The best thing to do is just avoid the coins and go for the money bags. This is mainly why you're going to need all that money, because 2 master rings is going to cost you about 400k, and you need them to pass certain quests so you can finally get all your quests taken care of and get the ring that gives you unlimited mana regeneration. Also, you're definitely going to want some of these spells down here. Probably not all of them, but at least the more useful ones. Anyway, thank you for watching my video. That's my take on how to farm gold faster.